What's the meaning of covetousness? Covetousness. Covetousness.
Covetousness. Covetousness. Covetousness refers to an excessive desire to possess something that belongs to someone else, often leading to envy and greed. The result of covetousness can be detrimental to both the individual and society as a whole. It can lead to unethical behavior such as stealing or fraud, as well as a general lack of contentment with one's own possessions and circumstances. This can ultimately lead to feelings of dissatisfaction, disappointment, and even depression. It is important to cultivate gratitude and contentment in order to avoid the negative effects of covetousness.